Number 3, it says use symmetry to evaluate the following integral. What we are seeing here is we are evaluating the integral from -2 to +2. And we have the function 5x to the 4th minus 8. Now, since there's not a shift left or right, we would know that if it had like another x term, this is an even degree. All it is done is shift up or down. So this would give us the shape of a parabola. Even down 8 units, and it would be opening up because it's positive. So this would be even, and therefore we can solve this by just doing 2 times the integral from 0 to 2 of 5x to the 4th minus 8 dx. That's what I should say. All right, so we're going to do the power rule. We're going to add 1 and then divide by that. So this will give us 2 times. This will be 5x add 1 to the 5th, and then divide by that power 5 minus 8x. This will be to the 1st because we're adding 1, and you can say divide by 1, but that's the process. Usually I just add that variable. Evaluate it from 0 to 2. All right, so the 5 will divide out. So we're looking at 2 times x to the 5th minus 8x evaluated from 0 to 2. And we're going to double that. So we have 2 times, this is going to be 2 to the 5th minus 8 times 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 minus 16 will give us 16, and then 2 times 16 will give us 32. So using symmetry, we get 32. And you are able to check these problems in the calculator if you want to go through that process again. I showed that on a prior video. Four, want to use symmetry to evaluate the following integral. We are going from 3 pi over 2 to -3 pi over 2. Now, if you know what sine looks like about the origin, sine starts in the middle, goes up, and goes down, and then it just continues that cycle up and up. So this is an odd function. Okay. I also believe in your trig cheat sheet, if you want to check that, it shows you symmetry of the trig function. So this is an odd function. And so what we know about odd functions is that if we are evaluating from -a, which in this case is 3 pi over 2, up to 3 pi over 2 of some function, 2 sine x dx, being that it's odd, we know that's going to be 0. The area below is equal to the area above. One is negative, one is positive. We will just get 0. Don't have to do any work if you know that it's odd and you're going from negative to the positive of that.